Taiwan on bike for a month.
Spoiler alert, for a week.
Here it starts.
It rained. Like it's raining. And this is our snack.
And we finished the packet.
So it's a
First
break time. And during that break, I realized day one, all I did was just riding. Riding through the tunnel, crossing the railway crossing, and then finally we reached the camping spot. And that's, my friend, is our tent for the night. I'm just in front of the sea. I know it's not visible, but morning view will be dope.
And we have a DJ.
That's
DJ
not
the
DJ,
Chan.
but well, let's see. Good morning. So we slept in the tent, and first time on our own. We were at the beach, and this is the real view.
This is us.
Now, isn't that a blessing? Day one is done, and I'm entering in day two of my vlogging of Taiwan on bike. But I don't know how much I've made of day one. Probably because I was just getting accustomed of this whole adventure trip. But now this is the day two, and I didn't start the vlog right away. So we are stopping. Windmill. Solar windmill. Not windmill, actually, design. So yeah, let's start the day two. As much as Taiwan is beautiful, they have not left any stone unturned to make it more beautiful with these artificial stuff. I mean, everywhere you go, you will find something like this. People come, they take selfies, they take pictures, they enjoy. I mean, and with these kind of views. So this Taiwan is beautiful. Yeah, that's how we shot the previous clip. And this one as well. So the trekking begins for the waterfall. Let's see how far it is. It's this way, but the views are good. The hike wasn't supposed to be this far. All right. Here is the first glimpse of all. Oh, this was a good waterfall. Now I'll be heading further to Hualien, but before that we're gonna eat something here. We have gas, right? So थोड़ा कुछ गरम करके खाएंगे. And then we're gonna go to Hualien and let's see what we have in Hualien. Alright, so like I was saying, first meal, then we'll go further. Well, if you like this video, trust me, the second one is better. So do subscribe and press that bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, which should be in next 2-3 days or maybe 4, but you will get notified. So just have a sneak peek of some of the clippings from the next video.